Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Investing and Earning. This is Jokia. Today we'll be discussing about a very popular software that's available in the market for a couple of weeks now. So we got a very good review of this particular software and I'm also using this particular software for a couple of weeks and I'm able to get a good return. So I thought I should give an explanation and brief of this particular software so you guys can have a look and you can decide if you like to join this program. So let's go inside. Today we'll be discussing about a new software. It's called Maximus Crypto Bot software. So this is not a new one to the market. It's been quite long. It's available in the market, and we have lots of reviews coming up for this Maximus Crypto Bot, and it's been always positive. So I'm using this Crypto Bot for a couple of weeks now, and the accuracy of this software is quite good. It's probably 85 to 90 what I'm getting from the while trading this software. But some of the traders, they're claiming they're doing around 90+% of the total software. So so I began this particular channel a couple of weeks back. So I thought I should give a demo of this particular account, give a brief of the particular account to all my viewers and my subscribers, so they should be aware of this particular Cryptobot. So we'll be reviewing this particular website for just for your information about what exactly this website is all about. So this trading bot is all about. So this is called a Maximus Crypto Bot, and what the website is claiming is 93% accurate signals, but for me it's approx 90%, 85 to 90%, but maximum is 95%. But some people claiming is 95% also. That is pretty good and decent. But if you are crossing 80% on average, that means you are making money on that. Let's review this website quite a bit, then I'll show you how this software works basically. So if you go to the video, it's given a description of how this software works. It's very much important for any new traders coming to this particular platform, or the experienced traders coming to this particular platform. They should be aware of how the software works. If the website doesn't provide a brief of how the software doesn't work, that's been something which should stay away from that. So this website is quite genuine, and it's given an explanation of how the software works and how we need to trade this particular software. So if you go straight down, saying 93% accurate crypto software, you can learn in details about the Maximus Crypto Bot, the software details again here. As usual, you need to fund your account. This software is free, but you need to fund your account. Basically, when you register yourself, they're going to provide a broker based on your geolocation, your country, your IP address. The system is going to identify on which particular broker is available to your side. And after that, you need to make a deposit, and the minimum deposit is 250 USD or the local currencies. So we have also analyzed the brokers, what they are referring to. These brokers are genuine brokers, so they're not a scam brokers, something like some of the scam software. They generally you are scam brokers and your money is gone. So this here you not find a scam brokers. These brokers are quite genuine and have a reputation in the market. It's showing about brief about the platform of the Cryptobot. You can also trade your things in your mobile also. It's it allows to trade with the stocks, commodities, or the crypto markets. So let's scroll down. Let's give an example of how they work, what kind of trading systems they are using to analyze the signals. Yeah, so only these things. So you need to put a first name and an email address and get the free access. You'll get quite a good support for this for the software, if you stuck somewhere in between, then you get a good support effect. So let's go to the website. Let's go to the application, Maximus Crypto Bot application, and I'll give you a demo how it's works. Let's go inside. Welcome back. So we are inside the Maximus Crypto Bot Trading software. So once you sign up to this particular software, you're able to view this particular page. So I started this trading software 3 weeks back, and I've deposited around 500 USD to this particular broker, Traders Online, and I'm able to make 5,270 USD. So this is quite a decent income in a month, I can say. I think it's a month right now when I deposit this 1,000 USD. So so I trade basically the currencies and the cryptocurrencies. I have no idea on the stocks, but yes, I do have traded with the stocks based on the confidence factor. Now, you need to understand how you trade. Basically, you have three options. One is a regular term, that has been a regular trading for average of 30 to 2 hours on average for trading the market. And you have a long term, which is basically a minimum of 12 hours, and one is hyper, that is for 4 to 5 minutes on average. So the systems basically try to navigate based on your requirement. So you have all the options. You get the currency, commodities, indices, crypto, or the stocks. So I clip it all here, so at least I can get a maximum signal available here. So right now, today is 3rd of September, and when I go to the economic calendar for today at the this investing.com website, we are closed today in the US and Canada because of the Labor Day. So the market is quite silent today. So you don't have much of the signals available right now. So though we have a quite of big news coming up for the GBP and for BRL, for the Euro also, yes, quite a news are there. But market as of now is quite slow comparing to the regular market. So on this day you not have a much of the signal available, and it's up to you basically how you want to trade. And now you'll have a very aggressive traders. Sometimes you're very slow traders. Some are very balanced trader. So I am basically a very slow trader. It's not a slow and a balanced trader. I generally don't trade on a even I get a confidence factors of 100% or 96% or 80%, whatever the percentage, best percentage available in that particular day. I don't trade during the time of the news. Okay, so I believe that even system analyze, the best systems analyze the particular currencies moved in a particular direction because of the analysis they make it out, but because of the news coming up, that analysis may not be a correct one. So I don't trade on when there's a big news coming up. So for you guys, if you want to trade, I generally trade a regular term. So my target is not more than 4, 5, or 6 trades in a day. Maximum I've done is probably 6, not more than that. So my accuracy is almost out of 6, I generally want a 5 or on an average of 4. So I'm making money on that, and I generally trade around 10% of my total account amount available in my account, and not more than that. So basically, it's a compound one. When you started with 1,000 USD, I started with 5%. I don't trade more than 5% when I have a small amount. When I go reach up to 5,000, I generally trade with 10% of the total amount. or 5%. Sometimes my average is 5%, but sometimes I take a risk of not more than 10% of my balance account. So my trading is that always go for the regular term, go for the best portion of position available. Now, how you can find a best portion available is that based on the confidence factor. Now, when you see a confidence factors coming up, you can simply place the trade. Place a trade based on this particular software analysis. So even you are not confident on this particular things, if you're not, if you're new to this trading world or you are experienced trader, if you're an experienced trader, then you can easily identify the things. When you're placing a trade, my first job is to check, is there any news coming up on that particular time? One. Second is that even I go to that chart analysis of this particular currency or stock or crypto to understand why it's saying it's a put or call. So if I'm confident that it's even showing as 95 factors, there's no news coming up on that particular time, and there's that's directions is also confident based on my statistical analysis, you can place the trade accordingly, and that give you extra guarantee that you're going to win that particular trade. But even you don't know how to analyze the market, or at least you can go to the economic calendar and check the news available at that time. If the news is available, I suggest you stay away. But if you still want to trade, you can trade, but possibility or the probability is quite less if the news, big news is coming up. If the small news like a one bull or two bull, or two bull doesn't impact much, but three bulls doesn't really impact your trading signals. So we need to wait. First of all, you need to wait for this thing. Now, this is 100% confident factors. Now, gold ones, West, Swiss franc. You need to 100% confident. Now, what you need to do is only put the amount and you need to trade. Click on trade. I don't want to trade right now because I have not seen this particular currency, what exactly is going on. So yeah, so let's trade then. Let's say 100% confident. Yeah, so our position has been, so basically this trade has been opened to my traders online broker, and I'm thinking of that this should work of this particular, because it's saying 100% confident. Now I've traded this 100% confident is not always available, so it is available based on the market conditions. So yeah, so that's my trading style. First style is, let's summarize the things that I need to wait for best confident factors, because systems analyze the whole data. Don't need to sit in front of the systems analyzing the whole chart and which the best trend and XYZ. So system will pop up with the all the best available signals, and you need to do go to the economic calendar, check any big news are there. If there's no big news, then you are confirmed. Now third option is that whether if you're not experienced traders, or if then you can skip the third option. But if you're experienced traders, then you can always go to the chart and find out if the trend is a correct one. But even you don't do first and second and third, still your winning rate is quite high. So if you do the second and third, that's the putting extra probabilities of your winning trade. Now once you do that, you just wait for the signals to expire and you earn the money for the day. Also, one more suggestion what I follow is that even you're winning couple of trades, you need to have a target to be achieved every day. If you are receiving a target, you should be logged out from the systems and you're done for the day. Because if your possibility is that, because the market is always volatile and can happen anything, so you set a target and you're done for the day. So this is how easy and simple to trade with Maximus Crypto Bot. And if you like this particular system or software, you always click on the link below. I have given the link to the software, you can go to that particular software, analyze yourself, and you feel like that it's a good software to invest your hard-earned money, then you can go ahead and before also you can put a want to take a review of this particular software by going to a different YouTube channels or website. You can always go there and make a call, decide a call, because you need to invest wisely to earn money. So that's my motto of my whole channel to bring, is that you need to invest wisely to earn money. That's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this particular channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, you can always click on the bell icon and subscribe so you can get the latest update directly to your email box. So lastly, to summarize the whole scenario, this Maximus bot, automated trading bot, is generally working, and if you like to have an analysis of this particular software, you can always click on the link below and you can go to particular software and you can analyze yourself. Yes, you need to also do the homework to take a review of this particular website, this trading software, in all the available informations in the internet, so you can decide and you can join. So we have also I try to do the trading on a live couple of tradings in this particular software, because being a US market is closed today, so I generally prefer to stay away from the market because it's a very steady and slow market. It doesn't have any movements. So once I get a opportunity to make a video on the live trading on the Maximus Crypto Bot software, I will definitely going to publish it online and for you to understand how to trade. So we have also, for my viewers, just for information, we have also have another brand new software. It's a color-based software available in the market, and I'm also doing the testing. So if the software is working, and then definitely I'll put a video of that particular software also. So basically the software is working good now, so as of now. So you have lots of reviews also about this new color-based software and available in the market. So hope you guys like this video, and do keep in touch if you have any queries regarding this video or the new upcoming videos of software. Then you can always contact me to my email address so I can reply to your queries. Thank you so much. Thank you once again for watching. Keep in touch. Good day.